Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the notification sound in Viber. For that you have to go to the settings of your Viber app. Just click on settings, you have to click on notifications, and then at the bottom, as you can see, notification sound setting is disabled. To enable that you have to check this checkbox with system sounds, and then to change this notification sounds, click on that and then select any of the sound from here. So this is how we can change the notification sounds in Viber. Thanks for watching.